What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in free cash, Moomoo is going to give you 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. If you put $100 in there, you're going to get 5 free stocks. If you put $1,000 in there, you're going to get 15 free stocks. In both scenarios, you get the $30 in free money. It's called the $30 cash reward. Guys, get down in that description box, click on that Moomoo link, open up your new Moomoo account today, go get that free stock. Please go get that free money. And if you need to learn how to use the Moomoo brokerage app, all you got to do, guys, is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Send me an email and let me know you've opened a Moomoo account. I'm going to go ahead and send you some Moomoo tutorial videos that will walk you through how to use the brokerage app. No better opportunity than right now to transfer wealth to you and your family. These next several months and the first 3 or 4 months into 2025 are going to be monsters. That's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, not trying to tell you what to do, just giving you my opinion based on 30 years worth of experience. Put yourself in position today, not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Put yourself in position so you don't miss your financial blessing. Well, let's find out what's going on in the stock market today. Here's the headline. S&P 500 falls for the third day as Treasury yields continue to rise. The S&P 500 fell Wednesday, putting the benchmark index on track for a third day of losses as Treasury yields continue their march higher. The broad market index lost 0.3%, while the NASDAQ composite shed 0.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lagged, losing 287 points, or nearly 0.7%. McDonald's fell more than 7% after the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said E. coli outbreak tied to the fast food giant's Quarter Pounder burgers has resulted in 10 hospitalizations and 1 death. That's not good for the Golden Arches. Starbucks dipped 2% after the coffee chain issued preliminary quarterly results showing that its sales fell again. Guys, this is Starbucks. What is going on? What's happening with Starbucks? Is there competition out there? Or are people just starting to make their own coffee at home? Starbucks was the golden child. What's happening with Starbucks? Got to dive a little deeper into that in a different video, of course. Also weighing on stocks was another uptick in rates. The benchmark 10-year Treasury note yield rose 3 basis points to 4.23%, reaching levels not seen since July 2024. What's going on with these Treasury yields? Well, people are fleeing to safety for some reason. Investors are starting to flee to safety. And Treasury yields, Treasury bonds are safety, right? Higher yields put pressure on the S&P 500 and Dow on Tuesday, both indexes closing slightly lower on the day. The NASDAQ, however, rose about 0.2%. That's because of rotation back into mega caps, hyperscalers, semiconductors, right? Robust economic data and deficit worries are among the factors behind the rise in the 10-year Treasury yield. Despite a half-point rate cut from the Federal Reserve in September, traders are also growing concerned that central bank policymakers may be less inclined to reduce rates, even as the Fed has forecasted another half-point worth of trimming before the end of the year. So investors are starting to get scared. Since the economy is doing so well right now, they're thinking the Fed may not hold to their promise of cutting rates an additional 50 basis points. So they're starting to flee the U.S. Treasuries. My personal belief is they will cut these rates because, like I said yesterday, they gotta be proactive with the labor market, right? So I think they will cut the rates. To be sure, the backdrop of equities is still constructive, according to the head of technical research at Renaissance Macro Research. The trends are still positive, and we don't have a lot of near-term momentum. But that's not the end of the world by any means, he said. In fact, a lot of times that results in a good setup because it's a consolidation. Remember what I've been telling y'all guys, it's a continuous bull market. But inside this continuous bull market, we have periods of consolidation and corrections. That's what he's saying. This may not be a bad opportunity for a lot of us trying to build wealth, this little bit of a consolidation, because it sets us up to be able to buy the dip. And then when this thing goes higher in November and December, we win. So keep that in mind. By investing today, the next 3 months historically are never brighter than they are here at the end of October. They're just telling you guys better days are coming. So if we do have dip season, may be an opportunity to take advantage of it because better days are coming. I ran across this article. It says best months for stocks. Just to back up this point, based on a 62-year study conducted by Stock Traders Almanac, 5 months of the year produce significantly better and safer returns than the other 7 months of the year. These months were November, December, January, March, and April. What does that tell you? This October is going to set up these next 5 months, and they coming, guys. So don't sleep on this. Get yourself in position. November, December, January, March, and April, 62 years worth of studying says those 5 months are the 900-pound gorillas of stock increases, stock growth, stock rally, whatever you want to call it. So put yourself in position. You got to get down in that description box and click on the Moo link, man. Open up this Moo account today. Fund it with $100, fund it with $1,000 and get you some free stocks, and then get you a $30 cash reward. And now you're in position to take advantage of these next 5 months that are coming. Guys, this is not Richard Fain saying this. This is what research is saying. Research has said these next 5 months are the best 5 months for the stock market. You better put yourself in position right now to do that. Get down in that description box and click on that Moo link and open up that Moo account today and put yourself in position. www.richardfain.net. That's my website. Been active for about 5 months. Over 400,000 of you guys have checked out the website. But here's the thing I want you to understand. The better you are with financial literacy, the more confidence you have with your money, and then you'll execute better, guys. I got 10 digital products on my website. Everything from investing in real estate with little to no money down, and everything got to do with credit, whether it be credit restoration, whether it be improving your credit score, credit repair, that's there. I got how to invest in the stock market, that's there. How to start an online business. I got the small business survival guide, which helps you grow and scale a business. I got digital products that will help you manage your money, man. If you're not a good money manager, it will help you become a better money manager. Let's say you got a bad behavior with money, a bad mindset with money, and you want a millionaire's mindset with money. I have a digital product to help you do that as well. Second link down in the description box, guys, is the website link. Click on it. Go check out them digital products, man, and do yourself a favor. Get in position. Make an investment in yourself and get in position. You got 5 months coming that are going to be the best 5 months for the year. They're coming. Starting next month, get in position. Also, consider joining the Wealth Builders, the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. It's 1,000 of us in our financial community in a little over 5 months. And all we do in that community is help each other do what? Get to that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Get to financial freedom through tips and nuggets and best practices, what's working, what's not working. We're just a community of positive people going towards building wealth. If you want to be a part of that community, guys, inside of the website, look for the membership button or the join button. It'll take you over to Patreon. We're the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Come be a part of it. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.